So I've decided I'm gonna keep recording. We're on the hunt for the playground. So I'm like 90% sure there's a playground somewhere on this trail. There has to be, because there was like 4 signs that said dog walk area, pathway, like I think something about a military base, which I think is what that wall is about, or fence. But then it also said there's a playground. And just because I'm not a little 9-year-old doesn't mean I don't enjoy playgrounds. So, oh, some kind of animal right there dug a little hole to get out or something. Oh, tripped on a stick. Alright, so I'm just like keep venturing down this path. It's kind of weird. I think there's a bathtub in the forest I saw. I wonder what this orange tape is. Is that for like deer? Oh. What kind of butterfly is that? Oh, it's flying. I didn't know they could fly. Oh, it's a bird. There's a real bird in the bush. Oh my, ain't that awesome? Oh, look, another weird thing is a tire. Oh, ow. Barbed branches or something. Alright, it's getting a little dense. Ow. Okay, there's something in the trees. I think I walked into a spider web because I feel like all kinds of string all over my face. It's probably all sorts of bugs, but I don't really mind. I'm a Illinois Jimmy's a outdoorsy mate. It's a snake hole. Or some kind of hole. It's a nature hole. Oh, is that bamboo or something? I don't know if you can see it because the sun's blinding me, so I can't get very good footage. Still this large amount of wire. I don't know if this is like, oh, there's power lines. I was gonna touch it, just like, I don't know, just because. Then I thought it might be electric because I think it's for a military installation. There's some wood. I think it's for a fence or something. It's a sheet of something. Is that might be styrofoam? There's, what the heck is that? Is that like moss? I don't think that's no military installation. It's a bunch of woods. Look like good hunting grounds to me. Go out there with your rifle, set up one of those little wooden box fort things. Wait for some deer to come by. Who took a bite of that out of that cotton, bro? There's another bird. There's a lot of birds. I wonder if this is like what a prison courtyard is. Just like a thing. Because I think, I don't know, I'm not a big expert on like prison facilities and stuff. But I think they'll sometimes have like an outdoorsy bit, like a biological area or something. But to keep them from like running away. There's a lot of rust in those trees that have like fences with barbed wire. So that's kind of what it feels like. I'm not no criminal. I'm not a crook. I've been recording for about 4 minutes. Been walking for about 4 minutes. So I'm starting to. Oh, that's a weird house. I'm starting to think there's no playground, but like Dory said in, what was it? Finding Dory? Or something like that. Just keep swimming. I really want to go over there, though. It looks like really nice woods and stuff. Very open. Lots of friends to make. I bet you I could use my something, my charisma to befriend something out there. There's another bathtub there. It's like a hot tub. Who's throwing their bathroom appliances out here? There's a freaking computer or a TV. What the heck? Oh, there's a cat over there. So, oh, I hear really weird beeping. It sounds like it might be from above me. I really hope it's a bird, not like, I don't know, like the base security watching me. There's a shopping cart. No way. Yeah, I really hope I heard it again. It's like very rhythmic, it's not very changing. So I have a feeling it's some sort of security system, like motion detected. But there's all this like stuff out here. I'm sure people walk down here all the time to like throw their trash away, hide bodies, shopping carts. Something about this feels really weird. What the heck is that? It's like a plane propeller or something. Is this the playground? There's a little burb. That's not a playground. Here, it's just a rogue shopping cart. That's interesting. I think I might have gone the wrong way. I was specifically told not to go too far, and I've been walking for almost 8 minutes. Or, no, it's been 8 minutes. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll find some new friends. That'd be cool. Find some other kids mucking about on the trail. Just saw a little bird. There's a lot of birds. Those are definitely security birds. They have probably have little infrared lasers and cameras in their eyes. Enhance image. Person detected. Scorched earth policy activated. You know, something like that. There's a lot of trash. Makes me question some things. Oh, look, there's a little nature-made barricade. Oh, I heard little kids talking. Okay, that made me sound weird. But, like, that has to mean I'm getting close to the playground. Right? Has to mean. Little kids. No, not like that. Not like that. Not little kids like that. Okay, this is kind of stopping me, so if there's no way around, I'll just... Ow. Oh, ow. Oh, there's a squirrel in the tree. If there's no way around, I'll just, like, turn around and go back where we came from. This is a I mean, I guess this is some kind of playground. It's ground, I can play on it. You know, I don't get out a lot. I stay at home a lot. I stay in my room, so I don't go on nature walks like this very much. I just want to say it's very nice, very nice. I like it a lot. Like, can breathe air. Like that one bald dude said he should do. Yeah. You know, breathe air, get a Bugatti. Something like that. So, yeah, these things in the woods. So, I'm wearing flip-flops, so I don't think I'm prepared to venture through that little thing there. If I was wearing, like, Tim's or something, maybe. This may be. I hear people talking. Looks like a baseball field, not a playground. Over behind me. There's me. There's a lot of tires. I don't get why, because tires are, like, super expensive. You ever check the price on tires? They're pretty pricey. Like, I could repurpose those tires or something. Like, just patch them up. You get, a couple tire repair kits. And, yeah. Just, because really, I don't know why, but, like, maybe it's because they're made out of rubber. I don't know. Oh, wait, that's a barricade. Ow. But, so, yeah, tire. Because I've seen this one dude. He was sanded down his tires so there's no tread on them. And, like, I was thinking, oh, yeah, so why do tires need to have that, like, little pattern on them like you do with shoes? Man, I really want to go down there. I wonder if the playground's that way. Maybe not. Let's go back down this way. Woo! But yeah, so back to tires. So, like, apparently if you sand your tires down, you'd, like, drift everywhere like it's Tokyo. Tokyo drift, baby. But you start, like, slipping and sliding everywhere. Apparently. Maybe that's why, because I think Formula race cars, I don't think they have tread on their tires so they can, like, skirt, drift. There's a lot of birds, bro. So cool. Birds are such cool little creatures. They're such cool little guys. Like, I could probably befriend a bird. Like, when the, like maybe a raven or a crow or something. Because birds are so smart. Like, they're not all of them, but, like, birds in general are pretty smart. But have you ever seen, like, I think it's either crows or ravens. They're, like, so basically, if you give them food or something, they'll bring you, like, shiny stuff, because they're like me. They like shiny stuff. I love shiny stuff. It just catches my attention. So, maybe that's why I'm walking along, just because that is some shiny razor wire, baby. Might as well be golden studded. Or, no, diamond studded. Jewel studded. Gold on it. Silver plated. Now that's some barbed wire I'd cross. That blinged out, goated with the soft barbed wire. That gangster ghetto chain barbed wire. That 1900s Chicago barbed wire. I don't think anything happened in Chicago. Besides that one guy that, like, evaded his taxes. Dog! I hear a friend! Well, actually, I really hope he's on a leash. I'd like to be able to walk. Oh, no, I'm getting scared, mate. Oh, Mr. Dog, please don't bite me. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, no. Oh, oh no. Oh, I'm sorry, doggo. Please. Oh, no. Yeah, she gotta say now. Bozo. Doggy bozo. Is that a door? But yeah, so there's some like really smart birds. They like steal stuff, like jewelry and stuff, leave it out. Imagine if I had a bird army that could go around the world. Like, not the world, but like state or general area and just rob jewelry stores and banks for like a bag of McDonald's quarter pounders or something. Cause like I think they take food. I have my own bird criminal army. Why pay for things when you can have birds? I'd probably get a bird to do my taxes. If I did my taxes, that is. Also, like if I had to do taxes, I'd do them, but like I'm a minor, so I don't, and I'm unemployed. I don't have a house under my name, so I don't have to pay taxes because I don't have any taxes to pay. What if I had taxes I need to pay? I'd pay them. Hopefully. I'm not at that stage in life yet, but I hope I'd pay my taxes. If not, oh well. At least I'd go out like Al Capone. Tax evasion, baby. That's so weird, because Al Capone, he was a big time mafia boss in Chicago. He like sold drugs, guns, and alcohol and stuff during the Prohibition. And he like had people get killed. He killed people, but yet like the public seemed to like kind of love him a little bit. And the one thing he got caught for is tax evasion. It's so weird. Like, you can outsmart the police department, but you can't outsmart the IRS. Guess that teaches you a lesson. Camera blur. Always pay your taxes. Remember that, kids, whenever you're not kids anymore, people that already are not kids, pay your taxes. Let me check. I think I missed messages. Okay, I really just want to make sure. I really hope I don't. Mom's gonna yell at me. You know, if you're, ow, someone's on my foot, ow. If you're a gamer like me, and you don't go out very much, I recommend going out, like, on a walk. There's not a lot, it doesn't have to be a lot, but, like, at least every now and then. I know it's sound hypocritical saying this, because I, like, never do this. Ugh. But, like, it's nice. Hearing the squirrels and the birds rustle. Hearing the military security, like, perimeter alarms go off. You know, all the other nature sounds. Really just makes you go, wee! But, alas, we have yet to find the foretold playground. So, I think we are back where we started, I believe. Maybe I'm lost. If so, I can... Oh, no, there's that little hole. There's the nature hole. Actually, I wonder if I could get in. Couldn't be that hard. Like, I'm just saying, like, you guys need to step your security game, because what is barbed wire supposed to do to stop me? Not like I'd break in or anything, but really, why do you... that's not doing very much. There's a pressure washer on. But that razor wire, that barbed wire, it's not going to be doing very much. Like, you can clearly tell someone tried to do that here, just to dig under. Might need a little bit of bigger hole. Maybe that's like a dog, or not a dog, fox. You know? Russian KGB sleeper agent fox. You got it, heard its like catchphrase, that activates it on the radio or something. It was coincidentally near a base. Just like, alright, handler said, time for action. Start digging in there. It's probably stealing the like launch code and special forces operations palace or something. What, is there not a path down here? What? I knew I should have kept going. Ugh. Well, there's not a path already made. Make your own, baby. Blaze that trail. Oh, wait, yeah. Wow, Oh, yeah, it really does end. Huh. Are you like, sure? I'm sure. Oh, yeah, it's like completely blocked off. Oh, hey, the fence isn't electric. Alright, that's good. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. I don't see anything back there. And it's kind of blocked off, so... Yeah. Should have just kept going the other way, because... Ow. Wasn't all that blocked off. Probably could have... It's me, Peter. Alright. Well, I had a lot of fun on this hiking adventure. I know I don't have my Illinois Jimmy Outdoors hat on, but it's still me, mate. Still good old Jimmy. Still good old Illinois Jimmy. Yeah. But next, going on this little nature walk. We did not find the playground. So, mission failed. We found lots of tires, so I don't get why they're still throwing out tires, but So I have to say, like, subscribe, and bye-bye.